If for some reason the patient does not tolerate the non-rebreather mask, you may need to switch to a nasal cannula. First, simply remove the mask from the patient's face. Turn the regulator to the off position and remove the non-rebreather from the regulator. Replace it with a nasal cannula device. Attach the end to the regulator and adjust the flow rate to between 2 and 6 liters per minute. You want to make sure that the nasal prongs curve downward inside the patient's nares. When it's time to discontinue oxygen therapy, begin by simply removing the nasal cannula from the patient's face. Turn off the oxygen regulator. Then, turn off the tank. And because pressure is remaining inside the regulator, you must bleed off the remaining air. Then return the regulator to the off position and remove it from the top of the tank.